Welcome everyone. So this tutorial is about branches. When you are working on a software, it is always important to create your own branch. It helps to record the changes you make to one software. So let me just show you one. Let me get into Git Bash, and it is in the master branch. Master is the default one. Whenever you create a new Git, when you initialize Git, the master branch will be the by default branch, and we are going to create a new branch here. Git branch develop. So let me check. See, there are two branches right now after you have created this. So right now, currently we are in the master branch. We can go to the develop branch by this checkout. So we're into this develop branch. So we can create a new file in here. So run.py file has been created. So remember, this run.py file is actually been created in the develop branch. It is not in the master branch. Let me just show you. Git checkout. Okay, before that I guess I have to add it. Add dot, then make a comment. So let's see this. Okay, so let me go back to the master branch. So if I go back to master branch, if you see, the run.py file is vanished because it is not into the master branch, the by default master branch. But when you are working in, when you created a new branch called develop and you created this new file, this will only be stored into the develop branch. So why branch is important, I guess you have understood. When you are working in a larger software or an open source software, if you want to only record your piece of code in a particular place, you have to create a branch. So it will help you to understand, everybody understand what part of the software you have actually contributed. So after you have forked, let me just show you. When you forked it from the Kevin's repository, so you only had this from the master branch. But if you create your own branch and then add some new files, it will store the new files in your branch, but not into Kevin's branch. It will be separate from the master branch. So right now we have the .py file, run.py file. So we're gonna push it into the actual. I have to check out. I'm sorry for my bad typing. So get push origin. We are working on the develop branch, so we have to push it into the develop branch. So origin, develop, enter. Let us wait for a few. Okay, so let us refresh it. So it is in this branch. We can see there's a new branch has been created, and in this new branch the run.py file is there. So I guess you guys have understood about branch. So whenever 4 people are working in a software or in a code, everybody should have their own branches, so that so all of you can track of the changes you individually made. This is the help of branch, which is a very good feature of Git. So I hope you guys have a good idea about Git and GitHub and other basic stuff to get you started. Thank you so much.